Pato ay bandira eh. Tawali bandira ko no. American flag. Okay. I am my wagon ride, except mambayar ka lang. I'm sorry. Mambayar ka lang. Kata, kaya makalugan ta. Tadi niya ni, pagbayaran na eh. Ay, exit manaya ya, exit. Entrance di biyot. Bisi na liber mo. Bisi na liber mo. Ditan ni. Tapos may bayar 8 mo. Itahol saga makakarlas eh. Nani tala mangakar no. Kasumpal to dia. Ya, bayar ka rin doon. $8. Dolyares. So, ah?
Nyari card.
Yeah, too. Terima kasih sawas mo. May card lah ya. Where is the other ride? Just this one or we have more? Other ride?
There's 4 wagons out.
Oh, just this one?
There's 4 of them.
So that one?
Yeah. You get a hand stamp, you can ride all day with us.
Okay.
Anytime you want.
Oh, how many times you want? Okay.
Yeah, right here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, sukses. Agak po niyo magsuksekan eh. Ah? Isin ko. Pila ya ka naman, no timing. Lugang ito, sakasakay kami sa wagon. Tignan namin mga flowers. Good morning. How are you? Good. Thank you.
So there's 2 stops. If you want to get out, you walk around, you come back, show them that tractor, they let you back on the stop, all right?
Okay.
And then just don't stand up while we're driving.
What is that? We can stand up?
No standing.
Okay.
Yeah, no standing.
All right.
Yep. And then we'll dispatch you now. So
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yes, take care.